Hey friends, are you ready? Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Welcome to my new video, and today in this video I'm going to give you 7 secret and good websites that gonna help you to learn programming and gonna give you a good career in your programming journey. And that 7 websites are very famous and good websites that gonna help you to learn your programming just using that website and using internet. So don't waste your time and watch until the end. Let's get. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's get started to the websites that we're going to use. So there is 7 websites. There is free code camp. Maybe some of you, all of you know that website gonna help you to learn coding for free. You just have to sign in or get started. It's free. So in here also written, learn to code for free, build projects, earn certificates just for free. And if you have certificates, that's easy for you to get a job. So next we have Coursera. So this is also a good website for learning coding, and in here you just have to join for free, or you can log in if you already have the account. So you can just click join for free, and you can write your name, email and password, and then you can get started. And there is also written, learn without limits, start, switch or advance your career with more than 5,800 courses, professional certificates and degrees from world-class universities and companies. So the third website that I use that website for learning my programming that I already been learned, and soon I'm gonna go to make a full course for that. So in here you just have to sign in, and then you can click to dashboard, and then you can pick any course that you want to join. In here also you can search any kind of course like C programming. In here you can get top C programming, introductory C programming, C for everyone, programming fundamental and others. And in here I already been joining many projects, and that CS50 introduction to computer science that I have been learned from alone. And I also joined Python that I'm doing now. And in here you can also search from explore courses, and you can search any kind of course like except coding. There is CCNA also. There is, let's search this one, CCNA. You can get in here also like introduction, critical thinking through art with the National Gallery of Art, or AI. You can also learn in here artificial intelligence. And then the third website that we have is Udacity. So learn new skills, prove your potential. And in here you can learn data science, programming and development, artificial intelligence, business and product management, cloud computing, autonomous system and so on that you want to learn for your programming journey. And you can join it for free. And the next that we have is Khan Academy. In here you can learn so many things like mathematics, physics and so many. And in here you can get a teacher that gonna teach you, and you can also pay for it, or you can learn it for free. You just have to sign up in here and get started for the learning journey. So the next is solo learn. The best way to learn to code, courses designed by experts with real world practice. Join our global community, it's free. So you just have to start learning now. And if you start learning, you just have to learn by your own, just using the internet and the this website or other website that I showed you. So the last is W3 School. In here also you can sign up or log in if you already have the account, and you have to just search in here like HTML tutorial, or let's search the HTML tutorial. In here you can get easy learning with HTML. Try it yourself. So you can try it by yourself. Just click in here, open a new link, and you can just get started. So for EDX you have an website also for C programming or some other programming languages. You just have to open cs50.dev for learning the not for learning but for your practical, for writing the code in the website. And before there was one website called ide.cs50.io, but now it has been expired because CS50 ID is no longer supported. Please stop using CS50 ID and use Visual Studio Code instead. Login. If we log in, we will just gonna get error, and we have to use Visual Studio Code like this one that I opened before. So you just have to log in here, and you can get started same like I'm doing. For Codecamp. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you, and that's all from me that I shared with you 7 websites, and I hope you're gonna use that for your programming journey.